Yo, what's up, Amy? It's the Moe Train! Owen wanted me to message you, bro. Because from what I hear, bro, you're a big featherless, flightless bird, bro. What the fuck? Dude. I don't even know where to fucking start with this, bro. Because apparently you look like fucking Big Bird, bro. Now listen, are you big and yellow? Are you proportioned like Big Bird from Sesame Street, bro? Are you big and tall? Do you have a long beak, bro? Are you big in the bottom? What's going on, bro? Why are you a featherless, flightless bird? Can't you get off the ground? Don't you have a vertical? Now listen. Apparently, you're always squawking, bro. What the fuck is up with that? Squawk, 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 squawk. You always talking? Always running your fucking mouth? Does no one want to hear it, bro? Dude. Apparently, that's what's going on because you're a big, dumb bird, bro. Dude. Always chirping, always running your mouth. When I walk past a fucking cage at the store and I'm hearing this fucking bird going squawk, 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 I'm like, shut the fuck up, bird. No one wants to hear your dumb fucking mouth. And apparently that's you, Amy. Owen, dude, what I need you to do, bro, take your fucking hand, bro, and slap Amy right in the fucking beak, bro, and say, shut the fuck up and stop squawking, bro. Amy. Dude. You big fucking dumb bird. You featherless. And you're flightless, bro. Now get out there, Amy. Stop being so stupid. Stop being a big dumb bird. Go. Do it now, Amy. Squawk, squawk, squawk.